In 2023, Google launched the Pixel 8 series, which included two smartphones, which is Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8 Pro. After these introductions, the tech giant is all set to launch its latest smartphone, the Pixel 8a, under this series. Google will be launching the phone at this year's Google I/O Developer Conference, which is scheduled for 14th of May. There are almost 2 weeks to go until the launch of Google Pixel 8a, but almost all the key details have already leaked online, including the AI features, display performance details and much more. As the launch date for the upcoming gadget nears, let's take a look at the expected price, features and specifications of Google Pixel 8a. Well, the online leaks suggest that Google will introduce several AI features like Audio Magic Eraser, Night Sight, and Best Take, Call Assist and Circle to Search with the Pixel 8a smartphone. Pixel 8a is likely to feature a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. The phone could be powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 processor, which is similar to that of Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. However, there might be a slight difference in the type of the chip used. While the regular G3 chip uses something called FOPL, fan-out panel level packaging, the Pixel 8a's G3 chip might use IPOP, integrated package-on-package, technology. In terms of charging, the smartphone is expected to come with considerable upgrades, as it may support up to 27 watts or 30 watts charging. In Pixel 7a, it was just 18 watts. The device is expected to have a 4500 mAh battery. The smartphone is also expected to come with IP67 certification for water and dust resistance. Now, talking about the camera, then Pixel 8a might come up with a dual camera setup at the rear with a primary camera of 64MP camera with OIS. It will be accompanied by a 13MP sensor. For selfies, the device is likely to have a 13MP selfie camera. In terms of color options, Pixel 8a will come in 4 colors, which is black, ceramic, blue, a new green option. Also, like the Pixel 8 series, the 8a is expected to run on the Android 14 operating system. The phone is rumored to be priced under 50,000 rupees in India. The company is likely to offer 7 years of security updates with its upcoming smartphone, without clarifying the OS update cycle.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.